Today I am unboxing the Nikkor Z 14 to 24 millimeter wide angle f2.8s. So this is the box. Okay. Go ahead and start opening. Okay, we've got the warranty, we've got the user manual. Popping open. Start with the first top box, which has the lens cap, the lens hood, and another lens hood. So these are the differences. This one's obviously a little bit bigger. This one is 112. This one is 96, looks like. So 112, 96. Okay. And we've got some styrofoam, which is holding the lens. But before that, we've got a lens bag, which I'm not going to bother opening. Never use it. Got the lens wrapped up. And there it is. 14 to 24, 2.8s. Automatic manual focus, buttons, very smooth zoom ring, very smooth focus or function ring. Take the lens cap off. So we've got the 96 lens hood. Pops on there, and you still use the 96 lens cap like that. Okay, you can't put it anywhere like you can on most lenses because of this flare, so it has to be put in a specific spot. We'll take that off, and we've got the, this is 102 or 112. Slide that on there, lock it in, and then you've got the 112 lens hood, which, just like the other one, will only fit there or there. Can't put it anywhere else. All right, so this is if you're using a filter with a 96 millimeter, and this is if you're using a filter with 112 millimeter. And again, you've got the lens cap for the 96 and the lens cap for the 112. So the 112 actually fits on top, and the 96 fits inside. So if you really want to be impressive, even if you're not using filters, you still want to use the 112. Looks more impressive that way. And just so you see, you've got the rear lens cap. Okay. So that is the extent of what's in the box. Okay. Hope you'd enjoyed it.